Hello everyone, I am welcoming all of you in my online class number 8 on lecture number 6. The topic of the lecture number 6 is array in C programming. So today I am going to discuss about a programming problem. So here is the question given. Write a program that will perform transpose operation on a given matrix. Okay. So at first I would like to explain what is transpose operation. So let's say what is transpose operation. So here we have a matrix and here we have 3 rows. So we have to make this row as column. So 1 2 3, this is the first row, and here 1 2 3, this is the first column. 4 5 6 is the second row, and here 4 5 6, this is the second column. So 7 8 9, this is the third row, and here 7 8 9, this is the third column. So in this way we have to convert this row into column. That is called transpose matrix. So let's see the code how we can do this. So here you have your header file, then you have your main function, and inside the main function body part we declare variable I and j. Okay, I basically we declare here to take the number of rows and j to take the number of columns. And row, we have another variable here to run the outer for loop. Okay, we declare row, and to run the inner for loop we declare column. Okay, and we have two, we declare here two array. One is array A, another one is array B. So I would like to scan the value of A, and then I would like to perform transpose operation on this A. Then I would like to store the transpose after transpose operation, what are the values we have. I would like to store those values inside the B. So you can say this is the A, this is A, and this is B. Okay, that is the thing, right? I have to scan the value of A, then after performing the transpose operation I will get the value of B. So let's start our discussion. Now I would like to show you the next part. Here I am scanning how many rows I want and how many columns I want. Okay, so that means suppose if I take the value of A, sorry, I is 2 and the value of j is also 2, then A should be 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, if I take the value of I 2 and j 3, then that A should be 3 by 2 matrix. Okay, right. Now next portion, I am scanning the value of, here I am scanning the value of A. Okay, right. I am scanning the values of A array. Okay, you know how to scan two-dimensional array. Okay, by using this row I am controlling the outer for loop. By using the column variable I am controlling the inner for loop. And then next what we are doing now, we are performing the tricks here. So here uh, here basically the tricks we are basically applying here. So the loop should be remain same. Rows equals to 0, row is less than I, row plus plus, column should be 0, column is less than j, and column plus plus. Now here uh, we are writing the thing like that: b column row equals to a row column. Okay, I would like to explain this code. Okay, I write down the same code here. Okay, at first what I am doing, I am taking the value of row, I'm taking the value of row 0. Okay, it will check the condition whether the condition is true or false. The condition is true because row, the value of row is 0 and the value of I should be, suppose if I give here 2 or 3, suppose 3. Okay, then condition true, it will go inside the inner loop. Okay, again column, the value of column is 0. Okay, then it will check the condition. Here condition is also true because column value is 0, and suppose j value is also 0. Okay, also 3. Okay, right, condition also true, then it will go inside the loop body if the condition is true, right? So here if the condition is true, right? So here what is the b0 b column? That means it will write down like that. Okay, let me write it down. So here it should be b, then inside the third bracket the column value is 0. Okay, and the row value is also 0. Okay, isn't it? Here row is 0 and column is also 0. Okay, then equals to, this is the, not equals to, this is the assignment operator. A, then row value 0, sorry, row value 0 and column value also 0. Okay, column value also 0, right? Okay, so what I am doing, I am taking the value of a00. Okay, this is the a array. Okay, if you remember, this is the a array. Okay, which value we already scanned. Okay, right. So which one is the 00 position? This is the 00 position. Okay, so what I am doing, I am inserting this value in this b00 position. Why is the b00 position? This is the b00 position. Okay, right. So again, after performing this task, it will go inside the column plus plus section, that means increment section, and it will increase the value of column. Now the value of column is 1. So now instead of 0, now let me write it down here. Instead of 0, now the column value is 1. Now tell me, what is the situation here? Condition true or false? Condition is still true. Again it will perform the same task, but this time we should understand one thing. What is the column value? Column value no more 0. We have to increase the value. Now this one is 1. So in b1 position, I would like to insert which value? Row value is still 0, but column value is here 1. So let me write it down 1. Which one is the a1 position? Okay, this is the, sorry, 01 position. This is the 0 number row and column number 1. This is the 01 position, and where I am inserting this 01 value, 01 positions value in 10 b10 position. What is the b10 position? This is the b10 position. Okay, so again it will increase the value. Now the value of column is 2. It will check the condition 2 is less than 3. Condition is still true. It will go inside the inner loop body, and now here the column value is 2. Okay, 2, and here also 2. Okay, so a02 position. Okay, this is the a02 position. That means column row number 0 and column number 2. Okay, where I am inserting in b array in b20 position. So this is the 2, row number 2 and column number 0. So in this way we are basically performing this transpose operation task. Okay, right. Now I guess you are, very clear about the concept. In this way we can convert this row into column as well as this row into column. When this when it will run the loop again, on that time the value of column will be 3, condition will be false. It will go out from this loop and it will increase the value of row. In this way it will increase the value of row and column, and every time it will convert this row into column, right? So, and at last what we are doing, we are printing, simply we are printing the value of, uh, b array. You see, here we are simply printing the value of b array. But here remember one thing, here we are playing one trick, that is j should be, row should be less than j and column should be less than I. Okay, right. So now if I quickly run the program, then you can understand the output of this. Okay, so if I run the code, then you will be able to understand the output. So here if I run the code, at first it will ask me that enter the number of row. I'm giving the number of row 3, and I would like to have number of columns also 3, and if I give enter, now it will tell me enter the array elements. I would like to insert in the first row 1, 2 and 3, in the second row 4, 5 and 6. In the third row 7, 8 and 9. And if I give enter, now it should give me the transpose matrix. If I give enter, now it is giving me the transpose matrix. So here 1 2 3 is the row, here 1 2 3 is the column, 4 5 6 is the row, and 4 5 6 is the second column, and 7 8 9 is the third row, here 7 8 9 is the third column. So in this way we can perform the matrix operation. So if you have any problem regarding this code, okay, regarding this program, then still you can comment me in the below comment section. Okay, so that's all about this lecture. Okay, lecture number 6. So that's all for today. Thank you everyone.